low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the season of Christmas and we are going to be doing something really exciting today. I'm going to be doing a balloon Xmas tree. Yes, like an Xmas tree using balloons, and I hope you stick around. If you're a new person stumbling on my channel, welcome. In my channel I do balloon tutorials, DIY and craft. Please do well to subscribe if this resonates with the kind of content you would enjoy watching. And if you're an old subby, I heart you. How are you keeping up? Thanks for sticking by. Don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up. Hey guys, so I'm just going to take you through the process of me inflating my balloons. So we're going to be making clusters of 5. If you've not seen my video on how to make cluster of 5, I'm going to link it in the description box below. So we're going to be making clusters of 5 for 5 different layers. So it's going to be 10 inches. The first cluster is going to be 5 balloons of 10 inches each. The next one on top is going to be cluster of 5 balloons, 8 inches each, 6 inches and 4 inches, and then we're going to have our star on top. So just enjoy with me while I go through this process. Hello guys, so at this point, after you have your 5 clusters of 10, 8, 6 and 4, you're just going to tie them together using a fishing line. Each layer has different sizes and then it gives you the shape of a tree. guys, so this is what the final product of our Christmas balloon tree looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me, and if you enjoyed watching it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't subscribed, click the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Season's greeting, guys. Enjoy your holidays.